In a daring security breach that has sent shockwaves through the local administration, a gang of thieves targeted the Ashrampalli Forest Range Office under the Kumarghat Police Station. The incident marks a troubling escalation in criminal activity as thieves are now increasingly targeting high-security government establishments. The theft was discovered early morning when staff arrived to find the office premises ransacked. Upon receiving the report, a team from the Kumarghat Police Station arrived at the scene to conduct a forensic sweep. A formal case has been registered at the Kumarghat Police Station. Pure report, Chini Khorang.